In this video, I'll show you how to use your Afterpay account with Cash App. Start by opening Cash App on your phone. At the bottom, tap the magnifying glass icon to go to the Discover page. In the search bar, type Afterpay and press Search. If it shows up, tap it and follow the steps to link your Afterpay account. If Afterpay doesn't appear, don't worry. Open the Afterpay app instead. Find your active order, tap on it, and look for a Pay Early button. On the payment screen, check if Cash App is listed as a payment option. Select it and follow the instructions to complete your payment. These are the two main ways, either via Cash App Discover or by choosing Cash App in Afterpay. Make sure both apps are updated to their latest versions to access all features. Hello, everyone.